Hello everyone, welcome on Tech Tips. Today I've got some tips for how to make a little tuning on your car. Car is visual, looks better for the mirrors. This one, as you can see, is actually the white color, and my car is piano black. And I bought this cover for the mirror. And it's easy to do. It's actually, you just need a simply first the oil, clean that properly because it's wet now. That means be sure you make it absolutely clean and dry. And after that you got just only tape here, 3M tape, and it will be just stick in, and that's how it will be looks like. Yeah, it looks amazing. I like it. Yeah, and should be also perfect fit, as you can see. Now I just need to stick properly that and be sure it's absolutely clean. That means be sure it's not a wet or something. And yeah, it's actually just take it off this label and stick it in. Like I said, be sure you clean that properly, and just after that just stick it, and there, that's how it will be look like. Yeah, nice, I like it.